The locals in many countries consume foods that we find to be bizarre, but China has one of the largest varieties of food in the world. Walk down any street market in China, and you'll find delicious delicacies, tourist treats, and even the downright disgusting. Some of these dishes are known for their tastes, some for being unique, and others for their medicinal purposes. These delicacies can be made from animals, plants, insects, and just about anything else. Number 1. Turtle shell jelly. Turtle jelly or tortoise jelly, also known as galingjao, is a Chinese jelly-like dessert. It is traditionally made from various types of a turtle's bottom shell and several herbal products. Most turtle jelly comes from commonly available turtle species to keep the price low, but some extremely expensive options are available and are made using ingredients from the golden coin turtle. Some turtle jelly on the market today doesn't even include any ingredients from a turtle. This delicacy is also used for medicinal purposes in China. It is said to improve circulation, assist muscle growth, and restore kidney functions. Many believe that regular consumption of turtle jelly can improve skin by giving it a healthier complexion. It is usually dark brown or black in color and slightly bitter, but many sweeteners can be added to improve the taste. Number 2. Fried seahorse. A seahorse is one of the cutest small marine fish found in the sea, but it is also found on China's streets as a snack. Seahorse has a squid-like consistency and is very salty. They are mostly found in soups or on kebabs, common at several street markets. However, you must be careful when consuming seahorses because they have sharp pieces that can get caught in your gums or teeth. The Chinese also believe there are great benefits to eating seahorses. One Chinese proverb says that eating a seahorse can keep an 80-year-old granddad young. Many locals use it as an ancient Chinese medication for energy and to boost sexual performance. Number 3. Chicken testicles. KFC offers several types of chicken on the menu, but you'll have to search other places in China to find chicken testicles. These juicy delicacies are said to enhance male prowess and improve a woman's skin tone. Number 4. Tuna eyeballs. Waste not, want not. This saying seems to describe consuming the entire animal for food, as is the case with fish in China. Many have likely heard of, and may have eaten, fish heads in a soup or stew. But these delicacies are the star of the dish. Tuna eyeballs are common in China and Japan, readily available to order in restaurants or purchase by the pound in the market. Tuna eyeballs are traditionally cooked with soy sauce and herbs. Some prefer them battered and served with vegetables and hot sauce. They can also be eaten raw, although caution should be taken when doing so as they may contain bacteria. Cooked tuna eye changes color when cooked, with the surrounding muscle and fat considered a tasty treat. Number 5. Scorpions. Those looking for something crazy to snack on while walking the streets of China may find scorpions to be a tasty treat. These small scorpions are fried and served on a skewer stick. They can be found on the streets of popular cities to lure tourists into trying something local and bizarre. Since the scorpions are thin, they turn out crispy with a nice seasoning. It is believed that eating scorpions can cure certain medical conditions and can make the blood hotter in cold conditions.